Welcome to Tool Tech Geek. I'm gonna talk about the driver bit for the Roxon Flex. I'm a big fan of this multi-tool because you can add and remove implements, which is with what they call modular nature of the multi-tool. It's not the first one, but the first one that's affordable. And there's also a new one coming from Ant Designs. Hopefully they produce it soon. I recently received the bit driver. They've been making a few tools, but only recently they started shipping these bit drivers. Some people already received it, and I just got mine. Gonna take a look. Let's see, how do we open this box? I have no idea. Okay, so like this. Okay. This is chrome plated. I didn't expect that. Although some of the other tools are chrome plated, so it should be. And it has a 1/4 inch bit. Comes with one. Let me see if it can accommodate anything else. Here I have some other bits. Yeah, looks like they fit pretty well, these short ones. It has a magnet, pretty strong. It's nice. Let me see, what else could we attach? Sometimes I advocate using small drill bits. So yeah, works pretty well. Easy to swap things in and out with the magnet. Let's see if it's easy to install. So I'm gonna fill up the long one first to make sure all the tools in place. Can I go like that? Okay. So it's this way. Locks pretty secure. Like it. If you follow this channel, you can see I made my own hex bit for 4mm drivers, but now can use 1/4 inch. Now I'm going to compare the weight of the Roxon Flex bit driver with the one that I 3D printed. You should notice that this is for 4mm and this is for a 1/4 inch or 6.35mm. Let's see the weight difference. 13.8 grams, and the plastic one is 3.9. So a big difference. The only metal here is the insert, the rest is 3D printed. So if you want smaller screwdrivers and less weight, you can make one of these, and this will give you a capacity of using the big bits. You can swap them out, so you always have these options. Another question I have is, will it accommodate the Leatherman system bits? These are becoming a bit popular because the Gordon tool uses them from Harbor Freight. And also Next Tool started to make a kit of this, so what happens if we want to use one of those in the Roxon Flex bit driver? It's gonna stick, but it's a little bit wobbly here, so I don't know if, I think in a pinch this will do the job, but it's not completely centered, so some situations may be hard to use. Let me see what happens with the more pointy one, because sometimes they behave differently. Yes, this is pretty wobbly. So one option would be if Roxon makes a special driver for these flat ones. That would be great because potentially you could use less space in the tool. We are a bit limited in the number of slots everything can take, so this takes I think 4 of them. You can have a long tool, but if they were to make a more narrow one, that will give you extra room for more tools. It's nice. This is a sanding stick I made. That's the other thing about the Roxon Flex. You can basically make your own tools by 3D printed, or even if you're good at shaping metal. This is an attempt I did. Basically, I drew a template, then I use a belt sander to do some of the external shaping, and then a Dremel to do cuts, and then this you could use a drill maybe for this, or just basically shaping it yourself. So I didn't do a precision job here, so this was this gap was a little too big, so this will fall off. But I think a competent person or somebody with patience could make basically metal tools out of some steel bar, and then basically do your own thing. So that's what I like about the Roxon Flex, and it's much more affordable than the Goat tool, which is one of these first modular ones. So very nice. That's my experience in installing the bit driver. Thank you for watching.